In this video, you will learn what a hash function is and 4 key properties that make it useful. A hash function is an algorithm. You feed it any input, a word, a file, a whole database, and it returns a fixed length string. That output is called a digest. Input goes in, digest comes out. That's the core idea. Here's the first big property, fixed length output. The digest is always the same length, no matter what you put in. Start with the word cat. It produces a 32-character digest. Now try a full sentence. The digest is still 32 characters. The input can be 3 letters or 3,000. The output length is always the same. Property 2, deterministic. This means that with the same input, you get the same digest every single time. Hash apple right now. You get this exact 32-character digest. Hash it again tomorrow. Same digest. Try it on a completely different computer. Still the exact same result. No randomness, no surprises. Deterministic means the output is always predictable from the input. Property 3, one way. Think of it like stew, the actual dish that you can eat. You take your ingredients, carrots, chicken, peppers, you chop them up, mix them together, and cook them. Easy and fast. But once that dish is made, there's no one cooking it. You cannot look at the finished stew and separate out the original ingredients. It's impossible. It's the same idea with data. You feed in the input and out comes a digest, fast and easy. But you cannot go from the digest back to the original input. That's what computationally infeasible means. Property 4, the avalanche effect. Start with cat, lowercase, and you get this digest. Now change just one character, capitalize the C. That single change produces a completely different digest. Not 1 or 2 characters changed, the whole thing looks different. One small change, completely different output. That's the avalanche effect. Here's the one limitation to know. 2 different inputs can sometimes produce the exact same digest. Input A goes through the hash function and produces this digest. But input B, something completely different, runs through the same hash function and produces the exact same digest. If you get the same digest for different inputs, that's called a collision. Modern hash functions are designed to make collisions as rare as possible, but the math means they're always possible, and that matters when security depends on digests being unique. Now that you know about these properties, it's your turn to explore more about hash functions.